Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to equip the perk that basically lets you see players through walls. And what this perk is that like as soon as you spawn in, or when you die and then you respawn, this basically gives you like kind of wall hacks for like a few seconds. So it's very good, especially for a map like Stakeout, where you're gonna like what I'm playing right now, like Stakeout. It's very small. So basically all you have to do is, once you go to loadouts and then go to weapons, all you have to do is make sure that all of these perks are basically set to blue. So as long as they are blue, so I'm gonna just use some random blue perks right here. As long as they are all blue, that you'll notice that you unlock the recon ability. And then once you go into a game, like as soon as you spawn in, and then every time you die and then you respawn as well, you will have wall hacks basically, and it's very simple. And yeah, that is how to unlock, I guess, the perk that lets you see people through walls. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.